Oh, hello internet. Here is another Mercedes A-Class 176. It's 2018. Just arrived to the yard. Rolled over. Body wise, the side and the back is slightly damaged. Rear bumper is okay. Rear light is broken. The tailgate is gone. Roof airbag is also gone. Front part slightly touching here and there, and that's it. It's 2018 1.6 petrol. Engine running all good. Engine running all good. Beautiful noise. Look at the engine. Yeah, it's all running all right without any trouble. Let me put that one back. Headlights are working. Let me to get inside and I'll show you the mileage. That's the paint coat. 191 Cosmo Black. It's manual, 6-speed, the biggest screen, and the mileage is where is that? Okay, yeah, 51,000 miles. That's the 51,000 miles on a clock. So all the navy all working, telephone working, car is working, sitting. Everything is working fine. So, sat nav. Call us anything you need to save some money. Stay safe. Bye.